Step 1. Ensure the machine is turned off. Step 2. Open the front and rear covers of the vibrator. Step 3. Disconnect the vibrator's aviation plug and the ground wire fixing screw. Step 4. Carefully extract the vibrator. Step 5. Unscrew the 4 fixing screws on the vibrator's rear cover. Step 6. Remove the old coil and replace it with a new one. Cut off the old coil before installing the new one. Step 7. Replace the old coil with a new one. Solder it, and use a heat gun for sealing. Finally, reattach the vibrator's rear cover and tighten the fixing screws diagonally to prevent dust ingress or damage. Once completed, reinstall the vibrator into the machine.